All right, it's another gorgeous day out today, and I got my wiring, so I'm going to hook up my solar panels today and get this thing going. All right, so I have to do this and run the line at the same time, or I'll never get this line through this tube. So I'm going to put one connector in at a time and then glue it. And I thought of this before I finished the whole thing. I wasn't going to glue it at first, but then I'm worried about condensation. And since it's going to be under the ground too, I don't want water to leak in the pipe. So I'm definitely going to glue it. Go. It's one of them. Hold on. Let's go put these together on the solar panel. Volts, which is good. That's a 12 volt system, so I have them in parallel. Good. All right, I rewired this. I had it wrong, and I knew that because when I turned it on, I wasn't getting any voltage anywhere. So the load here coming from the solar panels goes in on the bottom, and then the top to my charge controller. All right, I've got the solar panels hooked up to the charge controller. All the wiring is done. I got the batteries connected. I have the inverter connected. Hit those switches and hopefully everything works. Doesn't blow up. So let's start with the batteries. The batteries should turn on the charge controller. And there it goes. It's on for the first time, there's nothing coming from the solar panels, right? I have to flip the switch for the solar panels right now. So let's do that. I don't see a change. Okay, see the solar panels, 20 volts coming in, and it keeps flipping back and forth. Okay, 20 volts. I guess it flips back to amps. Let's see what the amps. 1.3 amps. The batteries are at 61% charged, if I'm not mistaken. It keeps flipping, but nothing popped. Nothing blew up. So far so good. Now I have to flip the inverter on and see if that comes on. I don't have it turned on yet, but I do have it connected. Just make sure. Positive and negative correct. Let's see. I got power. It even tells me the volts, 12.4 volts. Just to make sure this works, I'm going to flip this off, and it goes off. Good. So I don't want it to draw from the batteries right now, so I'm going to leave that off because I want to make sure the batteries are fully charged before I use it. Alright, I will show you tomorrow what it can do. Excited. Once it's at 100% charged. I'm going to wait until then. So we'll see how long it takes tomorrow to charge these batteries to full capacity. 64%. I've got what, 36% to go. That's it. See ya.